Today we are going to talk about the importance of regular health checkups. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will delve into the crucial topic of regular health checkups and why they are vital for your overall well-being. From disease prevention to early detection, health checkups play a pivotal role in maintaining good health. Join us as we explore the benefits and significance of making health checkups a priority in your life. The concept of health checkups, also known as medical checkups or preventive health screenings, revolves around the proactive assessment of an individual's overall health and well-being. Health checkups involve regular visits to healthcare providers such as doctors or medical professionals to undergo a series of examinations, tests and evaluations aimed at detecting potential health issues or risk factors before they develop into more serious conditions. The primary purpose of health checkups is to focus on preventive health care rather than reactive health care. Instead of seeking medical attention only when experiencing symptoms or illnesses, individuals undergo routine checkups even when they feel well. This proactive approach enables early detection of health problems, making it possible to intervene and treat conditions in their early stages when they are most manageable and have a higher likelihood of successful outcomes. The components of a comprehensive health checkup can vary depending upon factors such as age, gender, family history, and individual risk factors. Common elements often include physical examination. A thorough physical examination by a healthcare professional to assess the overall health of the individual, including checking vital signs, evaluating body systems, and identifying any abnormalities. Blood pressure measurement. Monitoring blood pressure levels to detect hypertension or other cardiovascular issues. Blood test. Analyzing blood samples to assess various health indicators including cholesterol levels, blood glucose levels, liver function, kidney function, and more. Screening test. Conducting screenings for specific health conditions based on age and risk factors such as mammograms for breast cancer, pap smears for cervical cancer, and colonoscopies for colorectal cancer. Vaccinations. Ensuring individuals are up to date with necessary vaccinations to protect against preventable diseases. Lifestyle and risk assessment. Discussing lifestyle choices, diet, exercise habits, and other factors that may impact on individuals' health. The frequency of health checkups may vary based on age and individual health needs. Generally, younger individuals may require less frequent checkups, while older adults or those with existing health conditions may benefit from more regular assessments. By undergoing regular health checkups, individuals can work collaboratively with healthcare providers to develop personalized health recommendations, make informed decisions about their health, and adopt preventive measures to maintain overall well-being and quality of life. The concept of health checkups emphasizes the importance of being proactive and taking charge of one's health through preventive measures and rather than relying solely on proactive medical interventions. Comprehensive health assessments. Comprehensive health assessments refer to a thorough and all-encompassing evaluation of an individual's overall health status, medical history, lifestyle, and risk factors. This assessment is conducted by healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, or other qualified medical personnel to gain comprehensive understanding of the individual's health and to identify any existing health issues or potential risk. Comprehensive health assessments are typically more extensive than routine medical checkups and often involve a combination of physical examinations, medical tests, and in-depth discussions with the individual about their health and well-being. The goal is to provide a holistic view of the individual's health, allowing healthcare providers to develop personalized health plans and interventions to promote wellness and prevent or manage health conditions. The components of a comprehensive health assessment can vary depending on factors such as age, gender, medical history, and individual health needs. However, some common elements often included in a comprehensive assessment may involve medical history. Gathering detailed information about the individual's past medical conditions, surgeries, medications, allergies, and family medical history. Physical examination. Conducting a thorough physical examination to assess the individual's overall health, including checking vital signs, evaluating body systems, and identifying any physical abnormalities. Laboratory test. Ordering and analyzing blood and urine samples to assess various health indicators such as cholesterol levels, blood glucose levels, liver function, kidney function, and more. Health risk assessment. Evaluating lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise habits, smoking status, alcohol consumption, and stress levels to identify potential health risks and opportunities for improvement. Mental health assessment. Addressing mental health and well-being through discussions about emotional health, stress, anxiety, and depression if relevant. Immunization review. Ensuring the individual is up to date with necessary vaccinations to protect against preventable diseases. Screening test. Conducting screenings for a specific health conditions based on age and risk factors such as cancer screenings, for example mammograms, pap smears, colonoscopies, and vision or hearing test. Medication review. Assessing the individual's current medications for efficacy, potential interactions, and adherence. Discussion and education. Engaging in a comprehensive discussion with the individual about their health, answering questions, providing health education, and offering guidance on healthy lifestyle choices. Comprehensive health assessments are especially beneficial for individuals with complex health needs, chronic conditions, or those seeking to optimize their overall health and well-being. The results of the assessment can help healthcare providers identify potential health risks, make early interventions, and develop personalized health plans to support the individual in achieving their health goals. It's important to note that comprehensive health assessments are not meant to replace regular medical checkups or visits to healthcare providers. Instead, they offer a more in-depth evaluation to guide preventive measures and promote proactive healthcare management. Personalized health recommendations, also known as personalized medicine or precision medicine, refer to the practice of tailoring medical decisions, treatments, interventions, and health advice to individual patients based on the unique characteristics. This approach takes into account various factors including genetic information, lifestyle, environmental influences, and personal health history to provide more targeted and effective healthcare solutions. Key components of personalized health recommendations include genetic information. Advances in genomics have enabled healthcare professionals to analyze an individual's genetic makeup to identify specific genetic variants associated with certain diseases or drug responses. This information can help predict disease risk and guide treatment decisions. Individual health data. Beyond genetic information, personalized health recommendations consider a person's health history, current health status, and lifestyle choices. This data might include medical records, diagnostic tests, family history, behavioral patterns, and social determinants of health. Risk prediction. By genetic data, health history, and lifestyle factors, healthcare providers can assess an individual's risk for certain diseases or health conditions. This risk prediction helps in early detection and prevention strategies. Tailored treatments. Personalized health recommendations allow healthcare professionals to select treatments and medications that are more likely to be effective for a particular individual, considering factors like genetic predisposition and drug metabolism. Preventive interventions. By understanding an individual's unique health risk, personalized health recommendations emphasize targeted preventive interventions and lifestyle modifications to reduce the likelihood of developing certain diseases. Pharmacogenomics. This field focuses on understanding how a person's genetic makeup influences their response to medications. By considering an individual's genetic profile, healthcare providers can prescribe drugs that are more likely to be safe and effective, avoiding adverse reactions. Nutrigenomics. Nutrigenomics explores how genetic variations affect an individual's response to different nutrients and dietary components. This knowledge allows for personalized dietary recommendations to optimize health outcomes. Digital health and wearable devices. The use of wearable devices or health apps can continuously collect data on an individual's vital signs, activity levels, and other health-related metrics, providing real-time insights for personalized recommendations. Patient empowerment. Personalized health recommendations empower individuals to take an active role in their health care by understanding their unique health risks and making informed decisions about lifestyle and treatment choices. Personalized health recommendations. The goal of personalized health recommendation is to move away from the one-size-fits-all approach to healthcare and deliver more targeted and effective treatments and interventions, leading to better health outcomes for individuals. However, it's essential to balance the benefits of personalized medicine with ethical considerations, data privacy, and equitable access to healthcare resources. Thank you for watching this video and taking an interest in their health and well-being.